So the mouse is eating, and what is the size of the mouse? Is it like a big mouse or a small mouse?
Small mouse.
It's a small mouse, so it's a tiny, tiny kind of mouse. Let's go to the next one. What is the meaning of something which is very big? What do we call that? I just forgot. You know, a few minutes ago, you said it was gi. Yes, thank you. You reminded me. So it's gigantic, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. And when something is very, very small, what do we say? It's what is it? Tiny. Is it tiny? Yeah. So when something is really very small, it's tiny. When it's very big, it's gigantic. Okay? All right. What do we have here? What do we see in the picture?
Clowns.
Clowns. How many?
3.
Uh-huh. Have you seen a clown before?
No.
You haven't. Okay. Good. Do you think the clowns are funny or scary?
Funny.
They're funny. All right. So no short answers. You always give me long answers. Say they are funny. They are funny. Okay. All right. Let's look at this picture here. What's happening? He's covering his ears because did you forget? Can we say that he's covering his ears because he really likes the music?
No.
No. Or because it's really loud? It's loud, right? Yeah. So he's covering his ears because it's really loud. Let's go to the next one. And she's saying you should be. Yeah. She says you should be quiet. All right. What do you think about your class? Do you think your class is quiet or is it loud?
No.
It's really loud, right? Who's the loudest in the class?
Ethan Atish.
Ethan Atish. Who's the quietest? I think Mila, Ailul, and Tanem are very quiet. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. So they are the quietest in the classroom. Do you like a noisy place or a quiet place?
Quiet place.
Long answers. I
like quiet place.
Quiet places. Very good. All right. Can you tell me some quiet places? Like, for example, a very good job. The library is a very quiet place. Do you know another place which is very quiet? Hmm. How about maybe the bedroom? Could it be very quiet also? Because people are trying to sleep there, right? Yes, sometimes the bedroom could be quiet too. How about in the movie? Is in the movie quiet?
Sometimes yes.
Sometimes yes, but because there's a noise coming from the movie, right? So that makes it a little bit noisy also. All right, so the library is the quietest. How about in the hospitals? Is it quiet in the hospitals?
No.
It's not quiet.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. So some places are noisy, some places are quiet, isn't it?
Quiet.
Yeah. All right, let's look at this one here. The girl is
Carrots.
She's what? She is
Here.
creative, right? Isn't it? Yeah. So we can say the girl's creative. So what is